Hey girl, hey. It's been a while. It's your girl Jennifer Woolsey, top leader with Avon. Welcome to Get Ready With Me. It's time to play in some makeup. Who is excited? Give me some hearts if you are here and ready to get ready with me this morning. Drop me a comment. Let me know where you are watching from today. I'm always interested to see where everybody's from. Good morning, Amanda. I can actually see comments today. Yay! So I'm wearing my mascara, concealer, lipstick, and selfie shirt and my, I don't know if you can see them, camo jogging pants because they're on sale now. Yay! You can order them on my website, youravon.com/jwoolsey. They pretty much feel like baby angel wings. So you need them in your life. It's so comfortable. And we've got doctor's appointments today, so I'm going to have to be comfy for the drive. I've already done my morning skincare regimen. I'm using my Joel Elixir, my Skin Invincible Day Cream, and for these bags, Depuffing Eye Serum. So let's hop in with our Ink Lasting Primer. You guys, this stuff, it's awesome. It made it through a whole day of unwrapping gifts, of cooking, then unwrapping gifts, then cleaning up, then playing games. I mean, everybody needs their makeup to last, especially us moms who are doing all the things in the world to make everybody else's life more enjoyable, right? That's our jobs as mom, to make sure everybody else is happy. Are the camo joggers lightweight? Not really lightweight. They kind of have a fleece lining on the inside, and I mean, they're not like bulky, extremely heavy. I would say midweight. Let's go with midweight. Yeah, midweight's good. Okay, so let's hop in with our Magix wand and do some concealing. I'm using the shade Marshmallow. Of course, I'm going to do these under eye bags because girlfriend has got some Christmas bags going on here. Hey guys, welcome in. Give me some hearts and let me know where you're watching from this morning. We're going to do this nose because it's red. I think because I exfoliated this morning with my vitamin C peel. Love this stuff for an exfoliation. And I think I got a little rough on my nose. And I have a little spot here. We're just going to erase it right away. Every mom needs a magic eraser to erase the tiredness, the redness, and the spots that show up. So, how was your holiday season? Everybody, let me know your favorite memory. We had a great one. We have Christmased for a week, it seems like. And now we are getting ready to head into 2020. We also have some products launch this week that you are going to need. So if you've got that Christmas gift card that's just burning a hole in your pocket and you need to spend it, I'm going to show you what you need to get. Good morning, Rebecca. How are you? How are the kids? I hope they're feeling better. We're going to use our Ink Lasting Foundation in the color Porcelain this morning. This thing is so cool. So it has a little cap which keeps your makeup fresh. Love that. I'm going to put my Ruby Cell Puff in, pick up some makeup, and it really just takes one push and I get all of this makeup. And then I just go back and I pat it into my skin. You can tell a while ago with that Magix wand, I did go back with my finger and blend it well into those trouble areas that I'm trying to conceal. And then I blend my foundation with it just to kind of conceal that even a little bit more. It also, I like a blended look. I know some of the styles is to leave that under eye a lot wider, which also is good because it makes your eyes look bigger. But as a mom, the darkness is so bad, I really need a little bit of blending. That's not my jam, but whatever's your jam. So that was just one push on the cush to get a good full coverage on my face. What do you think? I did change my shade to Porcelain because I've lost my summer color. Dang it. Can't keep summer color in this foggy, nasty stuff that's out there. So that's okay. We will just make do, right, girls? Okay, so we've got the foundation on. Now we're going to brush these brows down. My brows are wild. I need to get them shaped, and I haven't done that yet. So what are your plans that you are making for 2020? Share with me in the comment section. What is your goals? Maybe for your family, for your health. I'm not about New Year's resolutions because I always break them. I'm more about, setting what my goals are that I want to work for in the new year. One, of course, is health. Because I have to be healthy to be able to take care of my family. That's the thing that most moms underestimate. If you're not healthy, if you're not eating well, exercising, taking good care of your health, it's hard to show up for your family. So that is one of my goals for 2020, is to be more diligent in taking care of my health. Okay. So we just colored those in just a little bit to make them a little bit more shaping around my eyes. What do you think? Okay. Do you shape your eyebrows? Yes or no in the comment section. Do you like the cushion better than the bottle? Yes, I do. And I'll tell you why. I'm messy with liquid foundation. Super messy with liquid foundation. Although ours isn't runny, I just prefer the Kush because it keeps the mess at a least amount. And I need the least amount of mess in my life because I feel like I'm constantly cleaning up after my kids. So that's my why. What do you prefer? Do you prefer a liquid versus a cushion? Okay, I'm covering up my black shirt because I'm doing my loose powder and I don't want it on me. I don't want to wear it all day long on my clothes. So I'm just taking my powder brush and just lightly blending. There we go. And that will give you more of a matte finish. If you prefer a dewy finish, then don't use the powder. But I prefer a matte finish. And it just, to me, it also helps your makeup to lock in, to stay on longer, which I love. Because I'm all about not having to reapply. Not a reapplier. Okay, so new product. Are you excited? Here we go. This is our new Mono Pop eyeshadow palette, and this is the Mood Brown palette. It's live right now. You can get it for yourself. So this is one of those things you want to spend your gift card on. Look at those colors. Okay, so we're going to hop in with our eyeshadow brush, and we are going to we're going to mix this one and this one. I'm going to mix those two and cover the entire lid of my eye. You guys, this stuff has such great pigmentation. It also has been lasting all day long. Like I said, as moms, we don't want to have to reapply our makeup. We want something that is going to stay with us, that has great color payoff, and it has a little tiny bit of shimmer. It's not a huge amount. So if you're like, Jen, I'm too old for the shimmer, this is your palette. You can pull this off because it's just a hint of shimmer. Okay, so we did that, and now we're going to go in with our blending brush, or some people call it a crease brush, and I'm going to pick up this color over here in the corner. And I'm going to start here at the crease, and I'm just going to work that crease. And I start about the edge of my eye and work it towards the middle. These browns in this thing is so rich, so rich. Okay. And this color I'm using right now kind of has a hint of gold in it. It's a little bit of a goldish brown, which I love because it's I don't know, it's kind of a honey brown, if that makes sense. And I have super brown eyes. I'll open them in a minute and show you. And so it makes my brown eyes pop. Okay, now we're going to go in with this darker shade up here in the top corner. I'm going to use it as my blending color. So I'm going across the bottom of the lid up to the crease. And I'm just blending. What do you think? You guys, I'm telling you, I'm in love with this palette. I have a million eyeshadow palettes. I have all the palettes. And by far, this one is the most pigmented. It's the most long-lasting. And the colors in it are so pretty. They're so rich. Okay, so now that I've got all of that done, and I've blended those eyes in, blend, 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 I'm going to go back. Check this out. If you want to add a little extra glimmer, I'm going to go back with my just regular eyeshadow brush. I'm going to pick up that gold there in the corner and watch. Woo, woo, woo. Just going to do a little woo, woo, woo. Yeah, you have to make that noise. You have to make that woo, woo, woo noise. It works better. Not really. Okay, and then I put just a little extra shimmer. What do you think? Tell me if you are loving this eyeshadow as much as I am. Okay, now we're going to do some liquid pen, and we're going to line these eyes. I haven't tried a cushion yet. Oh, you will love the cushion, Amanda. You will love it. It is so nice. And the cool thing is our ink lasting liquid and our ink lasting cushion are actually the same formula. So if you have the liquid and you order the cushion, you can refill it with your liquid and make it last even longer. The other thing I love about the cushion is I love that that Ruby Cell Puff is washable and you can keep using it. And the Ruby Cell Puff itself is even a new technology. It's got some properties in it that actually make your makeup go on a little bit smoother. Sorry, I can't talk while I line my eyes. The Ruby Cell Puff actually makes that makeup go on a little bit smoother. Then say, like I have the what is this called? I can't think. I have this little applicator, and it helps. I mean, it goes on smoothly with it, but the Ruby Cell Puff actually makes it go on even more smooth. So I love that. Okay, let's curl these lashes. Girl. I'm not sure I put a stitch of makeup on yesterday. How many of you had a house full of chaos the day after Christmas and was just trying to figure out how to get through it and where the remote was? That was my day yesterday. Pretty sure that was my day. Love mascara. I'm going to use, and this is in the shade black. And we are starting at the root and lifting up. Of course, this has vitamin E oil in it. It has lots of good properties. It's vegan, it's paraben free, and it has these little heart-shaped fibers that just attach to those lashes, hug them, love them, and make them expand and lengthen, which we are all about. I stayed in bed yesterday. That is a great plan. If I could have, I would have, but I can't tell you the last time. I think I was like, oh, maybe when I had my hysterectomy that I actually stayed in bed. That was like 4 years ago. My kids require feet on the floor. Okay. There we go. The lashes are done, done, done. Okay, we're going to use our cushion foundation in the shade Coral today. Oh, I have one more new product to show you guys, so don't leave me. You're going to want to see it. Here we go. We're just patting some color on those cheeks. The cool thing about this blush is it's like a watercolor, and it's just kind of that right pop of color. It's not too overwhelming, but it gives your cheeks just a little kiss. Everybody needs a little kiss of color. Now I'm going to use my highlighter because I'm going out today, and maybe the sun will shine on the top part of my cheekbone. And I'm going to use a little bit right here, and a little bit right here, and a little bit right here. Just going to highlight. You can kind of see that. Okay, good deal. Now let's go in with, what color do we want to wear today? Let's go with our Tenacious. Brown goes with black and camo, right? Sounds good. That lip color, woo, makes that eyeshadow pop. What do you think? Okay, my last new product. You guys, this stuff is live. It is a lifesaver. It is our root touch-up. Oh my gosh. So if you're a mom like me and you haven't had time to get the roots dyed because, well, life, can you see my grays right here? This stuff is going to be a must-have in your makeup counter. So we are just going to gently pat it away. Got some here in my hairline. And guess what? Like magic. Like magic, they disappear. Yes, yes, yes. You need this in your life. Get it. It's awesome. Okay. All right, I think that's all the new things. So if I haven't spent your gift card, message me. I will help you color match your foundation and find ways to spend that gift card. Thank you all so much. I hope that you have a fabulous year in 2020. I hope that all your dreams and your goals come true. Pick your top 3. For me, it's health, taking care of my health, making smart decisions. 2, it is going all in with my business. I'm not letting fear hold me back and overcoming obstacles that have been put in my path. And number 3 is, really is number 1, but is making the most memories with my family I can in 2020. So I hope that you have top 3 goals that you're working on. Share those with me. I would love to celebrate with you guys. Accountability partners are always great, so help keep me accountable. You guys have a fantastic day. Thank you so much for getting ready with me. If you want to shop with these products, you can do that on my website, youravon.com/jwoolsey. Free shipping on orders of $40 or more. And if it's your first time to order from me, use code WELCOME10 for a 10% discount. Thanks, you guys. Have a fabulous day. Bye.